Another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off Siri Suggestions on iPhone or iPad on lock screen after iOS 15 update and how to do this app. So let's dive into it. So we have two methods, and the first one, you have to tap over here on the settings. From here you have to tap on Siri and search. From here you have to scroll down. Now under suggestions from Apple, we have an options like allow notifications, show in app library and spotlight. Suggestions from Apple, we have following these options: allow notifications, show in app library and spotlight, show when sharing, and show when listening. So these are the available things. So you just have to turn these off. You can turn this off, and this is one method. And moving on to the next one is all about, you can do it from the notification itself. So over here you just have to go over here on the notification, and from here we have an option called Siri Suggestions. As you can see, I have turned this off. Now most probably this is how it looks like. You can turn this off from here itself, so that you will not be getting any notifications from here after. This is how you can turn off Siri Suggestions on your iPhone or iPad after iOS 15 update, and how to do this app. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.